The Discovered Devices list lets you view the details of the devices. The list contains the following columns. Select. Mark the checkbox to select a device. The System Data bar opens. System Name displays the default device name. To sort the table based on the system name, click the System Name header. The next columns displays Product Name and MAC address. IPv4 address displays the IPv4 address and the prefix length. When the IPv4 address field does not contain an IPv4 address, the device requires IPv4 configuration. IPv6 address displays the IPv6 address. When the IPv6 address field is empty, the device has no IPv6 linked local address. Save Config column displays the status of the saved configuration profile of a device. Possible values are: no checkmark. No save configuration profile of a device is available. Orange circle. Save configuration profile of the device is pending. And green check mark. Save configuration profile of the device was successful. Firmware displays the firmware of the device. Previous action status column displays the configuration status of the device. Possible values are: green check mark. The device configuration is successful. Red check mark. The device configuration is unsuccessful. And no check mark. No device configuration is available. The latest column displays the next recommended action for the device configuration. To do the next recommended action and open the System Data bar, click the hyperlink in the column. To filter the content of the table columns and find a specific device in the list, use the Search Devices function. To remove the filters, clear the Search Devices field. Important remarks. First, after a new scan, if PROVIZE Explorer does not find a previously discovered device, then the device will show up as not available in the next recommended action column. Lastly, when you close and restart PROVIZE Explorer, the contents of the Discovered Devices list are cleared.